Why does nobody tell me these things? One of the most important things in storytelling is POV, or point of view. And you can't just change it up willy-nilly. When you're writing a story, you have to decide whose story it is. Whose eyes are we seeing this through? Whose perspective is driving the plot forward? We see everything he sees. We feel everything he feels. But then at the end of the book, there's a twist. Why does POV matter in storytelling? Well, it's the lens through which the audience experiences your story. It's what shapes their connection to your characters and their understanding of the world you're creating. A well-chosen POV can provide insight into a character's thoughts and feelings. Creating an emotional connection with the audience can also influence how the audience perceives the story, shaping their interpretation of events and characters. Think about it. If you're telling a story about a young woman who's afraid of the dark, your POV can either be her inner monologue or the external perspective of someone else. The former will create a sense of claustrophobia and fear, while the latter can create a sense of mystery and suspense. As storytellers, we have the power to shape the audience's experience by choosing the right POV. So whether you're writing a novel, a screenplay, or just telling a story for fun, remember that your POV choices can make all the difference.